Door type properties. If I want to go to my door type properties, for example, I'm in here and I go to edit type, and now these are my door type properties. Each one of these are my type properties. These affect the family, or in other words, every single decorative door too in the project. So these affect everything. So how do you know what all these things do? Well, I just went into help and I typed in door type properties, and I get a description then of each one. So in the construction section, I have, its wall closure or its type of wrapping of the layers, its basic function, whether it's interior or exterior, its materials and finishes. So what material is the door, for example? What kind of wood or metal is it? And what kind of material do we get for the frame? Is it a wood frame or a metal frame? We get all our dimensions, the thickness of the door and the trim and the width and the rough width and the rough height. So all that stuff can be put in. We also get identity information. So a keynote. A keynote is when we add a little value or information about it. It's manufacturer model. We can type comments about it. We can link it to a manufacturer's web page if we want to just pick out one particular specification for that. A description for the door, decorative door, these are used, blah blah blah. And so we can put all these different kinds in here. Fire rating is very important. We need to know if it's a 20-minute fire rated door or 2-hour fire rated door, for example. The cost of the door, all the analytical properties in here, of how much thermal gain and heat gains can be used. So if you ever are in doubt about one of these, just come in here and into Revit help and type in door type properties, and you can go and look up the full description for each one, and from there you can make your changes. But warning, warning, remember, whenever we're making changes to a family, we must duplicate it and change the name. Don't ever change the original family. We always want to leave those alone.